Okay, right now we're going to talk about label image, which, by the way, is my very favorite assessment tool in Schoology. I think this one is really outstanding. So we're going to say for this direction, I'm going to pretend this is my anatomy class, label the four abdominal pelvic quadrants. All right, now I need to upload the image. And I'm going to go find that file, which was right here, drag it and drop it. If I click instead, it'll let me look for the file on my computer. This looks great. Okay, if I pick the wrong file by mistake, I just drag it over here, or again, click here to search for the right one. So again, if I click here, it's going to allow me to search on my computer to find the right one. But if I have the right one, I'm going to click OK. All right, now here is my image. Here's where it's important. I want to put a response box. Right here, I need another response box. I'm going to move that one over here. I need another response box. That one is going to go down here. All right. And then I need one more response box. And that one is going to go down here. All right, so I just adjust it how I want. And possible responses. So I need to put in the options. LLQ stands for left lower quadrant. RUQ, right upper quadrant. RLQ, right lower quadrant. And then we need LLQ, we need left lower quadrant. I could put in some wrong answers. So I could say how about LRQ? That's a wrong answer. Okay, and QRL. That is also a wrong answer. Now I'm going to go here, and this is the right upper quadrant. That's this one. This is the left lower, right lower, left. Wait, I wrote the same thing twice. See, look, I just noticed that. I need left upper quadrant. That's this one. Then left lower quadrant. So good. I showed you what to do when you make a mistake, because inevitably that happens to me. Okay, I'm going to leave those two alone. I don't need to duplicate responses. Nothing repeats. I am going to put partial match because I do want them to get credit if they get some of them right, especially since there are wrong answers for this one. And I'm going to save it. And I want this to be worth 4 points because there were 4 options.